Fix problems with apps from Microsoft Store. If you are in Windows 11 and you are having problems with an app from Microsoft Store, consider these updates and fixes. First, sign in to your Microsoft account. Next, work through these possible solutions in the order presented. 1. Make sure window is up to date. Select Start, then Settings, then Windows Update, then check for updates. If there is an available update, select Install Now. That means you have to click on Start, then Setting, then Windows Update, then check for updates, and then install if there is any update. Make sure that your app works with Windows 11. If the app does not support Windows 11, it won't work. So you have to make sure that your app works with Windows 11. 3. Update Microsoft Store. Select Start, then from the apps list, select Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, select Library, Get Updates. If an update for Microsoft Store is available, it will start installing automatically. 4. Troubleshoot games. If you are having issues installing a game, see Troubleshoot game installation on Windows. Five. Repair or reset your apps. I had already made a repair video. You can watch that for this step. Reinstall your apps in Microsoft Store. Select Library, find the app you want to reinstall, and then select Install. Hope this solves your problem. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.